Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of STRATINDIA. Operation Sindoor has proven the reliability and effectiveness of homegrown defense equipment. To maintain the combat edge over its adversaries, India is enhancing the effectiveness of its homegrown weapon system with augmentation of its critical components. Indian Air Force on Friday successfully conducted the twin flight test of beyond visual range Astra Mk-1 air-to-air missile from the Sukhoi 30 Mki, which is a frontline fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. Equipped with an indigenous developed radio frequency seeker, which is a critical component of the missile guidance system. The indigenously developed missile was test-fired twice against high-speed unmanned aerial targets at different ranges and different launch conditions. The missiles destroyed the targets with pinpoint accuracy in both the cases. Earlier version of Astra missile was integrated with Russian origin radio frequency seekers manufactured in India. One of the key technological features of this indigenously designed advanced radio frequency seeker is a cutting-edge electronic countermeasure function ensuring early and accurate target acquisition, even in environments with heavy electronic interference. The missile is particularly effective during the terminal phase of engagement where precision is critical, making it a reliable option against high-end threats. The same seeker is also to be integrated with Astra Mk-2 missile, which has a dual pulse rocket motor and improved range. India is ramping up its BVR capabilities post Operation Sindoor to negate any tactical advantages of Pakistan as well as Chinese Air Force. Thanks for watching the video. Jai Hind.